So here's a cat litter box complete, right? Comes with the actual scooper. The pat, this is important because when they're getting out of the actual area, all the stuff's going to fall in there. It has padding for the actual base itself, and this is the top, all right? So we're going to put it together, and it comes with instructions too, and show you guys how it works.
This is an extra bonus. Once they get out of here and some of the litter goes through there, they can step on this, which attracts more of the litter so that they don't drag it around the house.
Here's the final product, and look at this. I'm so proud of this part because I could actually open this door without hitting the bottom or anything. I like that we have this whole setup in here. We have a little garbage can just for her because I have two cats, and it doesn't disturb the actual shower. And you have your little scooper here, all right, always ready to go. Got your sand in here. So stainless steel, has this so it could shed off any kind of extra excessive dirt that you're coming out with. They walk in here and it goes through, and then also this one to capture the rest of the stuff. So it's pretty cool. Let's put it to use. Let's give it to our cat, see what they think.